weekend we went to Shelley's Beach camping area. It's a little national park up at Cape Hillsborough. Hope you enjoy the video. Smalley's Beach Campground is situated within a 35 to 40 minute drive from Mackay in North Queensland. The access is via a 4 kilometre stretch of gravel road and is suitable for caravans, motorhomes, campers and tent camping. There are drop toilets on site, but no showers. Drinking water is available at the toilet block. And all sites are unpowered as it's a national park campgrounds. The sites are quite private and some are semi-shaded by trees. Sites are quite large, but just be aware that for bigger caravans, some of those sites are quite tight. Each site has a track down to the beach. Some sites have ocean views. The campgrounds runs right along the edge of Smalley's Beach. The cost is $6.75 per person per night, or $27 for families. You can have a fire as long as it's in a fire container. You can't have a fire on the grounds. We had Telstra phones and we had service the whole time we were there. The weather wasn't great for our Cape Hillsborough experience. I did get up in the morning and go and have a look at the roofs on the beach at sunset. That's something that's definitely should not be missed. You can do as little or as much as you want to at Cape Hillsborough. There was walking tracks, you can fish, there was walking out to Wedge Island. It's entirely up to you. You can just sit in your campsite and relax. overall we had a really good time and we will definitely be going back.